Good to see you on Saya Resum, where every gadget tells a story, and every review uncovers the facts. Today, we'll peel back the marketing gloss to reveal what really matters. Today we're taking a closer look at the Poco Pad X1, one of the newest mid-range tablets from Poco that delivers premium materials, strong performance, and surprisingly large storage options, all starting at around $415 United States dollars. Even though this tablet sits in an affordable price range, it brings several flagship-style features that make it stand out in its segment. From a metal body design to a Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 processor and up to 512 GB of storage, the Poco Pad X1 looks like a very compelling option for entertainment, productivity, and everyday use. So let's start with the unboxing experience. The packaging follows Poco's familiar black and yellow style, giving the tablet a bold and recognizable presentation right from the start. Inside the box, users receive a 45-watt fast charger, a user manual, and some documentation neatly arranged in separate compartments. Poco also includes a fun set of branded stickers, which adds a bit of personality to the package. Unlike many tablets today, it's nice to see that the fast charger is included right in the box. Now let's talk about the design. The first thing you'll notice when holding the Poco Pad X1 is its premium construction. Both the back panel and the frame are made from metal, which immediately gives the tablet a more solid and high-end feel compared to plastic alternatives in this price category. In addition to the standard dark gray version, Poco also offers a deep blue color option that looks quite unique. However, despite the matte surface finish, the blue version can still attract fingerprints more easily than expected. The Poco logo is centered on the back panel, while the top left corner houses 3 Pogo pin connectors for attaching an optional keyboard accessory. On the opposite side sits the camera module, which shares a similar design language with the Xiaomi 15 smartphone lineup. Looking around the edges of the tablet, the left side remains clean and minimal. The right side includes the volume buttons and a charging area designed for a smart stylus. Along the top edge, you'll find 2 speakers and the power button, while the bottom edge includes the USB Type-C charging port and 2 additional speakers, completing a quad-speaker surround sound system with Dolby Atmos support. In terms of size, the Poco Pad X1 measures approximately 9.9 inches tall, 6.8 inches wide, and just 0.24 inches thick, with a total weight of about 17.6 ounces. Overall, the tablet feels slim, balanced, and comfortable to hold during long usage sessions. Interestingly, the overall design closely resembles the previously released Xiaomi Pad 7, suggesting that the Poco Pad X1 is essentially a refined variation of that device. Now let's move to the display. The Poco Pad X1 features an 11.2-inch IPS LCD display with a resolution of 3200 by 2136 pixels and a productivity-friendly 32 aspect ratio. This makes the screen especially useful for reading documents, browsing the web, and multitasking. The panel supports up to 68 billion colors and offers a smooth 144 Hz refresh rate, which makes scrolling animations and gaming feel extremely fluid. Peak brightness reaches around 800 nits, which is excellent for indoor usage. Outdoors, visibility remains usable, although it's best to stay in shaded environments for the most comfortable viewing experience. The display also supports HDR10 and Dolby Vision, making it a strong choice for watching movies and streaming content. Combined with the quad-speaker setup and Dolby Atmos tuning, the tablet delivers a very enjoyable multimedia experience. Next, let's talk about the cameras. On the back, the Poco Pad X1 includes a 13-megapixel camera with autofocus and an aperture of f2.2. While tablets are not typically designed for photography, this sensor performs well enough for scanning documents or taking quick snapshots when needed. On the front, there's an 8-megapixel selfie camera, positioned horizontally at the center of the display frame. This placement makes it ideal for video calls, online meetings, and remote learning sessions. The rear camera supports 4K video recording at 30 frames per second, while the front camera records at up to 1080p at 30 frames per second, which is perfectly suitable for everyday communication needs. Now let's move on to performance. The POCO Pad X1 is powered by the Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 processor, one of the strongest mid-range chips currently available. In benchmark testing, the device scores over 1.2 million points on AnTuTu, along with single-core scores around 1,778, and multi-core scores around 4,881 in Geekbench 6. In real-world usage, this translates to smooth multitasking, responsive navigation, and reliable gaming performance. Popular titles like Arena of Valor and PUBG Mobile run very well on this tablet, although PUBG Mobile currently supports up to 90 frames per second on the device. Out of the box, the POCO Pad X1 runs HyperOS 2 based on Android 15, with an available upgrade to HyperOS 3 based on Android 16 already ready to install. During quick testing, the interface feels fast, smooth, and well optimized, with polished animations and no noticeable lag. Despite carrying the POCO name, the software includes Xiaomi's cleaner default icon set, rather than POCO's more colorful icon style, giving the interface a more refined visual appearance. Another major highlight here is storage. The POCO Pad X1 offers up to 512 GB of internal storage, which is currently one of the largest capacities available in its official price segment. This makes the tablet ideal for users who store large media libraries, games, or productivity files. On top of that, the tablet includes several useful AI-powered tools, such as Circle to Search, AI Writing, AI Drawing, and AI photo editing features like object removal and image expansion. Finally, let's talk about battery life. The POCO Pad X1 is equipped with a large 8,850 mAh battery, which easily supports a full day of work, streaming, or gaming. Charging is handled through 45-watt fast charging, and importantly, the charger is included in the box. Overall, the POCO Pad X1 delivers an excellent balance between performance, display quality, storage capacity, and premium design, making it one of the most attractive mid-range Android tablets available today. So the real question is, would you choose this over more expensive flagship tablets? Or does this already offer everything you need?